Hey, hi. Welcome to this part 30. If you are looking for parts 28 and 29, it is not available for free on subscribers channel. You got to click the join button and become a member, a cloud kernel or a cloud ninja member. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed, this is your opportunity to do so. Why? Because this channel is dedicated to help you clear cloud certifications, majorly AWS, and then you got Google Cloud Computing as well as Azure Cloud from Microsoft. Now, why do you need to certify in cloud platforms? Respect, man, respect. And why else to be continue to be relevant? Being relevant is very important if you want to prolong your career in the IT space. Now let us jump into the questions. Now this question is a waste of time. What you need is just to identify a storage. And mind you, this is for the Linux systems, and it is the requirement is for a file system. So what is a file system? Is S3 a file system? It is an object store. Object stores are not file systems. So we would mark this wrong. Now the question is talking about Linux. What WTF? Why will we use Windows here? So this is wrong. So this would be my answer. FSX for Luster. These are shared storage for high performance file system. High performance file system. So we got our answer. This is our answer. What does high performance mean? Sub-millisecond latencies, millions of IOPS. Now let us look at this question. By the way, if you have not yet become a member, this is your opportunity. You can join at a very small premium. Go for Cloud Kernel or a Cloud Ninja membership to gain access to all of the question sets. I keep posting these contents both for free as well as in the members group. You need both to ensure your success in the certification exams. Let us jump into this question now. So here goes the story. There is an application which has been written using Python, and you want to move that from on-premises to cloud. So two things to note. You got to look for a like scenario where you can put the Python application. Second is that you would want to get a replacement of SQL database on AWS cloud. Let us scan the options. You want A is telling you to put the docs on the buckets and run the Python code on EC2. So you got multiple choice. Either you deploy the application on EC2, that's what this guy is saying. You deploy that and process the documents and store the result in Aurora DB clusters. So SQL database can work in Aurora, but you got to minimize the operational overhead and maximize the scalability. Plus, you need a highly available solution. So whenever you get a choice of choosing a server full application versus serverless will have an upper hand. That's how this is wrong. And B is correct. C is not operationally efficient because you would put the docs on EBS volumes and you would do a multi-attach to EC2 instances and then launch the EC2 instances. So this is kind of not operationally efficient. So I'm marking C as wrong. Now D tells that you would put the docs on SQS. Come on, man, you cannot be insane. There is a limit on the messages, size of the messages. If you are going to put JSON docs on it, it may not fit in some scenarios. So I don't think this would suffice. So option B is my answer. So you want a disaster recovery solution, what should you use? Elasticsearch. This will not work because Elasticsearch has a purpose. It serves as a distributed search and analytics engine. It is not a backup and a disaster solution. So A is wrong. And one thing which is very obvious is D, which is wrong because D is a database. So RDS, it is a relational database. And here we are not talking about any database in this question. We are talking about JSON format. Since the data has to be uh, accessible in milliseconds, I would choose standard over Glacier. So Glacier is primarily used for archiving solutions, and it gives you lowest cost. Millisecond access comes with uh, there is a fast retrieve option which gives you that, but that is expensive. That is not most cost effective. A better way to do is put it on S3 standard because this will give you millisecond performance, and as it is just a matter of storing for 30 days, you see this 30 days, I would choose standard. I would keep there for 30 days and then move to Glacier. So this would be my solution. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit subscribe. This channel is totally focused on helping you with AWS, Azure, and GCP certifications. If you have not yet, click the join button, become a member, a Cloud Kernel, or a Cloud Ninja member. That will give access to all the other parts. See you in the next part. Till then, bye bye.